It's 3:15 on September 28th, Saturday. We've been working on this all morning. I have gotten the back cabinet and the bunk removed. I removed the bathroom walls.
Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender.
Corey's been working on the front end of the trailer. Say hi, Corey. Hey. We're trying to keep our spirits up.
It's all good.
Yeah.
We're having fun.
We're having a blast.
This is awesome.
I love the sore throat from all the mold and nasty. Don't you?
I saw some pink earlier, so maybe we're getting some anthrax.
I wonder who's going to inherit this mess when we both are found dead in this thing. What a flippin' mess.
Always an adventure.
Always.